Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a pretty noisy night. We've got some helicopters flying around, so you might hear a lot of music with this one. I've been having a lot of fun with my comb wrecking, and I kind of want to play with that some more. I talked in the last video about a progression, and the last video we had minimized the color palette to just use the gold, the Prussian, and the Peridot with some, and the Jadeite with some white. And tonight I'm adding one color, the Peridot, but I have thinned out my paint a little bit. And I think I want to try a straight pour tonight, because the fantasy pour that I was doing in the last one, the paint was a little too thick and it didn't quite work. So that's what we're going to play with. And I'm not using the split cup tonight. I'm going to use a regular layered cup because I want some of these to blend. So this is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my base coat flow extender color. Let me show you these colors real quick because they're beautiful. This one is DecoArt Extreme Sheen in Peridot, which I really, really like this a lot. This is so beautiful. I did a Sarah Mac inspired comb wrecked, or no, not comb wrecked, just a wrecked ring pour a couple weeks ago. It was beautiful. I'll link that one for you guys here with this Peridot, and it was so pretty. I loved it. And then this one is also Extreme Sheen. This is the same Jadeite that we used last time. And it was so interesting to me watching that one dry, because this was very green like this when it was wet, and then where it was stretched out and thinned out, it was very pearl in the last pour. So it was kind of cool. This one is remnants of Prussian Blue, and I think I added some of the Modern Masters metallic blue to it. It's all very nice and pretty. See, it's not as thick as it was. The mound just sort of sinks into itself beautifully. And then this one is the 24 karat gold. She's a beauty. And we have some titanium white from Amsterdam. I was just sitting there thinking about it a minute ago, and I was like, I should have done the cloud mix for this one, but that's all right. It'll be fine. So that's our white. Okay, so we're going to layer 2 cups with these beautiful colors. We're going to start with a tiny bit of white in the bottom. And then some gold. And we're going to sandwich that. Are we? Maybe we're not. Yeah, we are. We're going to sandwich the gold between 2 layers of white. And then we're going to come in with our Prussian Blue color, metallic Prussian Blue. I think I want to use the Peridot. And then the Jadeite. I may do that differently next time. And then we're going to go white, gold, white. I think I'm going to put the Peridot in first. And then the blue, and then the Jadeite. More contrast that way. It's a little bit of white on top. I also have some trips scraped off from the table from last time and strained, and some Floetrol added, some water added. So this is very pretty now. I'm happy with this. Okay, so we're gonna actually start with, what do I want to do? We're gonna start with a puddle of gold. I'm gonna kind of spread that out a little bit.
How many awesome pieces start with a puddle of gold?
A lot of them do. The reason that we do that is because in case any gold cells want to pop up, that's perfectly okay with me. Okay. All right. We're just going to pour it. Actually, you know what? I think I want to put some white down. A little bit of white, not much. We're going to do straight pour from kind of up high. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Okay.
Je suis prête.
We're going to do straight pour from up high, but we're going to move around a bit. So here we go. This is awesome. Okay, I'm happy. I think we're gonna actually start over here. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay, cool. That's a lot of paint. I'll just pull this way a little bit. All right. I love what's happening on that edge, so we're going to put some flow extender over here first. We don't want to lose any of that.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high.
We're going to be fearless. We're going to be brave. We are. I'm just going to take this down a little bit. So the thing that I learned from the last pour was that in Soleil, I don't have to wreck the whole thing. I can only wreck parts of it if I want, which is what I think we're going to do tonight. So we're going to start over here, HOA, in that little bit of Jadeite. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Here we go.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves,
I think I want to do one more. Let me start over here. Ready?
fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love.
So beautiful and metallic. Okay, let's find the way to the paint. The easiest to go off that bottom corner first.
Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing color. I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
Hey, Gay Joy.
Her boss.
Just need to take a little bit off of that bottom edge.
You can see it shimmering from here.
Mm-hmm. So my question to you now, I really love what's going on up here. That's okay. Do you think we should take some of that off and stretch this top out some more?
Yeah.
I like that composition better anyway. I think I want to leave that like that. I think this is really pretty. I love that Peridot. It's so beautiful. And the Jadeite is gorgeous next to that blue. And the white is creating a lot of contrast for us. I love where the blue is like really dark because it creates a lot of depth and some shadows. So pretty. This is cool. Let's torch it one more time. I see cells starting to pop up, so that's good. Awesome. I like that a lot. I'm very happy with this. You agree, Chile?
Mm-hmm.
So a few things, our paint was thinner this time, which is why we have kind of a squiggle there instead of a nice smooth curve. So the thicker paint definitely helps you keep the pretty shape of the design, whereas the thinner paint starts to move a lot faster. But the thinner paint is also giving us some really cool cells. I love this area. I kind of wish I'd left more of it unwrecked because I love what it looks like. So I might have to play with these colors again. This was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for being here with us tonight. I am going to Pennsylvania for a few days to see my beautiful Fiona at her exhibition and her class. So I will be back home on the 19th, and I'm going to try to shoot a few videos before I go. And we'll be back home as soon as we can. So thank you so much for being here. If I have dried results, I'll put them at the end of this video. See you soon. Okay, so this is a few days later. This one is Soleil. This was our dried result from last week's video. I told you I would show you in the sun, and here we are. HO8, can you tilt it a little bit for us? You can see the Jadeite. You can see that very, very pretty bling. Okay, cool. All right, let's show them this week's painting. Okay, so this one was our thinner consistency, straight pour with the comb rack, and the blue was a little bit different. This one is very pretty. I do love the Peridot. And we did get some beautiful cells in there. Really pretty colors. Really pretty lines. Probably should have used the Feral Cloud mix in this one. Really, really pretty stuff. Kind of a lotus flower sort of in the center. HOA, could you do some tilties for us? Oh, it's blingy. Okay. Very cool. Awesome. So this one was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day.
Sorry, hi too.
We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.